Bring the hood into the installation area. Unpack the hood by guiding a knife along the center of the packaging, taking care not to damage the product. Inside you will find the manual and fitting components. Take a moment to read through the manual to make sure you fully understand the installation process. Mark the center of the wall. Next you will need the 2 chimney brackets. Put the chimney brackets in place and mark the screw points. Fix the 2 chimney brackets in place using the screws provided. Now mark the screwing points for hanging the hood as per the manual's instructions. Fix the 2 screws into place. Ensure all the brackets are level. If required, mark again and refix the hanger bracket into the correct position. Take the hood from the box. Remove the protective foil from the hood. Hang the hood in position on the hanger bracket. Fully fix the hood into the wall. Remove the filters from underneath the hood. Using 2 of the screws provided, secure the hood to the wall. Place the 3 filters back into place under the hood. You will now need the 2 chimney parts. Remove the protective foil from the 2 chimney parts. Insert the plug into the socket located at the top of the electricity box. You would now plug the hood in using a pre-prepared socket. Place the top part of the chimney into place by clipping it onto the top bracket. Whilst holding the chimney in place, fix the top part into place using the screws provided. Place the larger bottom section of the chimney into place and connect it to the top chimney part. Fix into place using the screws provided. Clean the product. Your installation is now complete and ready for your customer.